You're looking for a night light to hang up, decorate, show what it looks like at nighttime, in a corridor underneath protection for your lighting needs. We're going to demonstrate in the nighttime what it looks like and show you what this product is about. Pearlycats Night Light, a magic wall lamp. Hangs on a nice piece of metal, aluminum alloy, with the replaceable plastic cover. Check online for further details. When you get your product, fully charge a unit that would take up to 4 hours plus. When it completes its charge, the outer ring will shut off, should light green. It is voice activated with the 5000 milliamp battery of a runtime up to 72 hours. With the remote control, 12 different color schemes for the center and a number of color schemes for the outer ring to add up to 83 different types of color schemes, where you can control the moods of the outer ring as well as the inner ring. It has a light sensor for smart technology. It will come on in the evening hours and light up for 20 seconds on the outer ring. We're going to turn the unit on and show you what the unit is about. As the outer ring is circling around, that is one mode design. The remote control has a negative and a positive of the outer ring, the center ring, and a brightness level of 4 increments. The off, the on, and the night mode, and the 12 different colors. The unit can be swiveled around unlimited 360 degrees. We're going to hang our unit up over here and demonstrate what it looks like in a nice low lit situation. The light has a memory where it leaves off at, so we're going to turn the unit on. We're on the last mode, which is white for the outer ring. And what we're going to do is go into the plus mode. It starts off with a circular fashion of a multicolor. And then the next one, it goes into a fade color, different colors as you see, of the outer ring. And then the next one, it'll go into a slow rotation every second of a color as it trails off. And now we're going to go into the mode after. It's going to circle around with 2 lights and change its color in different colors in all. We have 83 different schemes to go through. Now this is the next mode, which is a multicolor. It's coming in as a fade. And then here we're going into a quick circle. And then finally we're going to a breathing. And then we go into the RGB colors, red, green, purple, an orange, more of an orange color, and so forth. Blue, violet, purple, green, white, and then back to the original color. If we go into the center, which is a circle, you're going to see the 934 start to change colors and do different types of things. And then we're going to just continue on to hit it. You're going to see it do different things and all. It's got a little rotation there. Different design and all. And it'll come back on. This is an indoor unit, not meant for outdoors, but you put it outdoors underneath an overhang, a corridor and all. So we've gone through just about everything that this unit can do, as you can see. We have a brightness increase to the maximum, and then we could decrease it down in increments. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. Now we have the colors of RGB, all the red, green, blue, the yellow, orange, so forth. Those are all the 12 different colors. Now if we hit the night mode and it goes into this particular mode when the light goes off, 20 seconds of the outer ring and the light lighting up. We'll walk away and allow this to shut down. This is the night mode as you see it lit up. 20 seconds later, it will shut down when you activate the night mode. The center light cannot be turned off. It is either in the different modes as you see. An excellent decoration for all your needs with smart technology. The light goes off after 20 seconds and back on, as you notice. When the light senses around the unit, it will shut down dusk to dawn. There is an audible sensor located on this side. So when you hit the dusk to dawn, this will shut down. That's what it will look like when it is in the off position. So this will conserve power. It goes on standby. Dusk to dawn, it'll go on and go back into a standby mode. A 5,000 milliamp battery, 72 hours of runtime. USB-C compliance without using the remote control. On the side is an on and off button over here. 9 o'clock position when you button. Turn on, turn off. When the unit runs low and shuts down, it is time to recharge. Up to 4 to 5 hours of recharge time. For parties, decorations, a kid's room, by a hallway, by a corridor, at your front door, underneath the cover, this is a wall decorative night light for those needs. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is right for you. So we have, here's the 934 lit up. And we are going to change the outer ring color, solid, changing, rotating around, and changing the center to a different color. Gives you an idea what it looks like, all lit up and doing its different things. We're going to put it on the night mode. So this way when we talk, you see the light come on. That is the light. You'll decide if this product is something that you are looking for in your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.